Hey guys, what's up? It's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to learn a new song on the ukulele and it's gonna be Heartbreak Anniversary by Giveon, and a lot of you guys have been requesting me to teach you the song on the ukulele. So yeah, and I also did a short cover of this tutorial, so if you're interested, you may click the card up there. So before we start our tutorial, let's have a quick shout out to these subscribers. So shout out to Jaytee Batoy, Joseph Pelasol, Samantha Rosales, Christian Nagiat, Nicole Maputi, Rosemin Carnicer, Gianna Angeles, Caddy Oleg's Vlog, Miles Bianca, and lastly, shout out to Benji Alvarez. Ayan, thank you so much guys. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to use my Enya MS Solid Mahogany ukulele from Enya Music. So if you're interested with this instrument, I will leave the product description and the product link on the description box below. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Say that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walked out my life? Your life is every time. All these days I feel like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. Do you ever think of me? So in order to play this song, you need to learn 6 chords on the ukulele, and don't worry, these chords are really easy. Now the first chord that we have here is the chord of C7, so you're going to put your index finger or your middle finger here on the first string here in the 2nd fret. Okay, so again, this is C7. The next chord that we have is the chord of E7. So you're going to put your index finger here, middle finger here, and your 4th finger here. Okay, so again, this is E7. Now the third chord that we have is the chord of F. So what you're going to do is you need to put your index finger on this string and put your middle finger here on the 4th string in the 2nd fret. Okay, so this is the chord of F, and the next chord that we have is the chord of F minor. So what you're going to do is you need to put your index finger here, middle finger here, and your 4th finger will be placed here on the 1st string on the 3rd fret. Okay, so again, this is F minor, and I know this chord is a little bit hard, especially if your fingers are short, but you need to stretch it a little bit, and yeah, so it really needs a lot of practice for this chord. Now the next chord that we have is the chord of G, and it looks like a V-shaped chord, and you're going to put your index finger here, middle finger here, and your 4th finger will be placed between these 2 fingers right here, but you're going to put it here on the 3rd fret. Okay, so this is the chord of G, and lastly we have the chord of D minor 7. So what you're going to do is form a D minor chord, but you're going to put your pinky finger here on the 1st string 3rd fret. So again, you're going to put it here, 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 and here. Okay, so this is D minor 7. Again, let's start from the top. We have C7, E7, F, F minor, G, and D minor 7. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to play this song in 3 different ways. So the first one is the plain strumming, while the second one is a combination of strumming and chucking. So you're gonna produce a percussion sound on your ukulele. And the third one will be the plucking pattern. So basically, this third one will give you a more acoustic vibe of the song compared to these 2 right here. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you one by one what's the difference between these 2, and if you want to choose, or if you want to learn the third one, or either the second one or the first one, you may skip to these timestamps right here. Now for the intro of the song, what you're going to do is you need to strum once per chord. So even if you're gonna choose the third one or the second one, which is the with chucking version, so still you're going to strum once for the intro. So our chord progression here is C7, E7, F, and D minor 7. So it sounds like this one. Okay, follow me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so again, that's for the intro. Now for the next parts of the song, which are the verse, pre-chorus, and the chorus. Now you're going to follow the strumming pattern that is the down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? And we're going to practice it first on the C7 chord. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up. Again, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now let's try to repeat this strumming pattern 3 times. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, up, 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 down. Okay. Now for the verse 1, it should sound like this one. Balloons are deflated. Guess they look lifeless like me. You on your side of the bed. Now for this part, which is the F minor and the G, you're going to do the down, up first on F minor, and you're going to do the next part of the strumming pattern, which is the down, up, down, up on the next chord, which is G. So basically in one strumming pattern, you're going to do 2 chords for that. For F minor and G, and the same with D minor 7 and G on the last part of the verse. So again, it would sound like this one. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's try to do it again. Down, up, down, up, and then transfer to E7. Down, up, down, up, F, down, up, down, up. And again for F minor, down, up, down, up, down, up. The same thing for the next part of the verse. Down, up, 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 down. Okay? Now let's try to sing the verse 1. Balloons are deflated. Guess they look lifeless like me. Will miss you on your side of the bed. Still got your things here. You stare at me like souvenirs. Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you. And for the next part of the song, which is the pre-chorus and the chorus, still you're going to do the same thing. Okay? Now let's try to sing this remaining parts. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Say that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walked out my life? I get like this every time. On these days that feel like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. Cause I remember every time. On these days that feel like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. Do you ever think of me? Now for the second part of this tutorial, which is the with chucking version, now it sounds like this one. Down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, up, 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 down, up. Now Now, the strumming pattern for that is down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, up, down, up. So basically, the first strumming pattern that I taught earlier for the part 1 is kind of similar to this one, except for two down strums, because you're going to replace it with a chuck. So the X symbol there means chuck. Now again, a strumming pattern is down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, up, down, up. And we're going to practice this strumming pattern 3 times using the C7 chord. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, down, up, chuck, down, up, chuck, up, down. Okay. Now let's try to strum this song using the second strumming pattern. Balloons are deflated. Guess they look lifeless like me. Miss you on your side of the bed. Still got the things here. You stare at me like souvenirs. Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Say that you love me, if that'll last forever. It's cold outside. When you walked out my life, why you walked out my life? Your life is every time. On these days I feel like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. 'Cause I remember every time. On these days I feel like you and me. Anniversary, do you ever think of me? And lastly, for the third part of this tutorial, which is the plucking pattern. Now, we're going to do this plucking pattern. So follow the tabs, which I'm gonna put somewhere here on the screen. So, again, this one is our 4th string, 3rd, 2nd, and the 1st string. So 4 is our G string, this one is our C string, E string, and the A string. Okay, and our plucking pattern, our plucking pattern will be G, C, E, and then we're going to pull the G and the A string together. Okay, so just like that one. Again, 1, 2, 3, and then G and A, pull, and then after that one, you're gonna drop your hand, or you're gonna do this tap, and then pull it again, the same strings, G and the A one together, and then you're gonna tap again, or drop your hand. So G, C, E, G, and A, and then tap, and then pull again, and then tap. Now let's try to do the verse 1 using the plucking pattern. Balloons are deflated. Guess they look lifeless like me. Miss you on your side of the bed. Still got things here to stare at me like souvenirs. Don't wanna let you out my head. And yeah, now let's try to do the pre-chorus using the same plucking pattern. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Say that you love me, but that'll last for never. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walked out my life? Chorus na. Like this every time. On these days I feel like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. 'Cause I remember every time. On these days I feel like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. Do you ever think of video today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below the titles of the songs that you want me to teach on this channel. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button down there and hit the notification bell beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!